If you've been using AI for a while, you've probably noticed one big problem. Every tool does something different. ChatGPT for writing, NanoBanana for images, Veo for videos, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Suno for music. Before you know it, you're paying for multiple subscriptions and constantly switching between different platforms just to complete one project. But what if everything could live under one roof? That's exactly where Syntx AI comes in. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for AI creators. Instead of juggling multiple tools and subscriptions, Syntx gives you access to some of the biggest AI models for text, images, videos, audio, and even AI agents from a single dashboard. And if you prefer working directly from your phone, Syntx also includes a Telegram bot that gives you access to the same ecosystem on the go. Another thing I like is that new AI models are added regularly, so you're not stuck waiting months for the latest technology. Considering everything that's included, it's also significantly cheaper than paying for multiple subscriptions separately. In today's video, I'll show you how I can go from a simple idea to a complete AI-generated commercial using just one platform, and honestly, the workflow is much easier than I expected. After clicking the link, you'll land on this page, and this is where the magic happens. As you can see, Syntx AI is organized into different sections, each designed for a specific type of task. GPT agents use powerful AI agents to handle research, planning, content creation, and other complex workflows automatically. Text access models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to write scripts, generate ideas, summarize content, and much more. Design create stunning AI-generated images, graphics, and visual assets using top image models. Video turn your ideas, text, or images into high-quality videos with advanced AI video generation models. Audio generate voiceovers, sound effects, music, and other audio content without needing additional software. Toolkit, a collection of specialized AI tools designed to help with productivity, content creation, automation, and creative workflows. Everything is available in one place, so instead of jumping between multiple websites and subscriptions, you can manage your entire AI workflow from a single dashboard. Now let's start with the text section. I want to create a cinematic anime story, so I'll first select my chat model. As you can see, Syntx gives me access to top AI models in one place, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Perplexity, and Qwen. For this project, I'll use ChatGPT. I'll ask it to generate a complete anime story along with image prompts, image-to-video prompts, and a background music prompt, all at once. After entering my prompt, ChatGPT quickly creates a complete cinematic anime story with scene breakdowns, visuals, animation prompts, and soundtrack suggestions. Everything I need is organized in one place. Normally, this is where you'd have to switch platforms, open new tabs, or buy additional subscriptions to generate images. But with Syntx, everything stays in the same ecosystem. I'll simply copy my image prompt and go to the design section. Here we have multiple image models available, including NanoBanana, Midjourney, Seedream, GPT Image 2, Flux, Runway Frames, Ideogram, Wan, Grok Imagine, and Luma. For this example, I'll use GPT Image 2. I'll paste the prompt, select a 16:9 aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within moments, my first anime scene is ready with cinematic lighting and stunning visuals. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining prompts. And in just a few minutes, all my scenes are generated and ready for animation. The best part is that script writing, prompt creation, and image generation all happen inside Syntx without needing any other platform. Now that all of my images are ready, and move over to the video section. As you can see, Syntx gives us access to a wide range of AI video models, including Kling, Google Veo, Sora, Seedance, Grok Imagine, Beeble, Runway, Happy Horse, HeyGen, Luma, MJ Video, Hilo Minimax, Higgsfield, and Wan Video. For this project, I'll use one of the available video models, Veo 3 Fast Relax. I'll upload my first image, then go back to the text section and copy the image to video prompt that ChatGPT generated earlier. After pasting the prompt here, I'll select my quality settings and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Within moments, the image comes to life.
The world looks so vast from here.
What was once a static anime artwork is now a cinematic animated scene with smooth camera movement, drifting clouds, and natural character motion. It already feels like a scene from an anime movie. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the matching video prompt, and generate again. Just like that, all 4 scenes are transformed into high-quality animated videos. The second scene adds magical glowing lights, the third captures the character's journey across the hills, and the final scene delivers an emotional cinematic ending above the clouds. And that's what makes this workflow so convenient. I created the script, generated the images, and turned them into animated videos using different AI models, all from a single platform without switching between multiple websites or paying for extra subscriptions. Now that all of my videos are ready, it's time to generate the audio. I'll go to the audio section and use ElevenLabs for the voiceover. I'll copy the script generated by ChatGPT, paste it into ElevenLabs, select a voice, and click Generate. In just a few moments, my voiceover is ready.
Beneath the glowing sun, a boy stands on emerald hills, lost in dreams.
Next, I'll open Suno, paste the music prompt generated by ChatGPT, and generate a background soundtrack for the video. Once the music is ready, I'll download both the voiceover and the soundtrack, and that's it. The script was created with ChatGPT, the images were generated with GPT Image 2, the videos were animated using Veo 3, and the audio was created with ElevenLabs and Suno, all from one platform. Finally, you can use any video editing software to combine all the downloaded videos, voiceovers, and music together, and your final video is ready.
Beneath the glowing sun, a boy stands on emerald hills.
The world looks so vast from here.
Lost in dreams and memories. With each gentle breeze, courage awakens. Reaching for the sky, he discovers the hope to chase his future, his spirit shining brighter than the dawn.
Honestly, it's impressive how quickly this came together. Just a few steps ago, we only had an idea, and now we have a complete animated short film ready to watch. Before wrapping up, I also want to quickly show you the toolkit section. This area includes a collection of specialized AI tools designed for editing, enhancing, and refining your content after generation. For example, we have tools like Nano Banana Pro Editor for advanced image editing, Topaz Astra, and Topaz AI for quality enhancement and upscaling, Clarity for image improvements, MJ Editor for creative modification, and Magnific for adding extra detail and realism to your visual. These tools are perfect when you want to make final adjustments without leaving the platform. Overall, what impressed me most is how everything is connected inside one ecosystem. From generating the story and creating images to animating videos, producing audio, and even enhancing the final assets, the entire workflow can be completed in one place without constantly switching between different tools and subscription. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out the link in the description and use code TECHDOUGH to get 15% off your subscription. And if you're new to AI, Syntx also offers learning resources, tutorials, and a community to help you get started.